Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to talk to you about this shower mixer. This is Bristan Noctis Rigid Riser Bar Mixer Shower. It's a modern square design shower ideal for contemporary bathrooms. It features a two outlet diverter for switching between the overheads, drench head, and easy clean multifunction headset with a Fast Fit Wallmount 12 kit. Installation and maintenance are easy, and safe touch technology keeps the valve cool during use. The telescopic riser rail offer adjustable height, making it suitable for various setups like wet rooms or over bathroom installations. Complete shower kits included bar valve, riser rail, drench head, handset, hose, and fixings, anti-line scale rub clean nozzles, high pressure water compatible, premium finishes with easy clean surface care instruction. So make sure you clean it with mild soap and water only. Avoid harsh chemicals and abrasive material. This product deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.